Okay, welcome back to next session. Thank you very much. Those who are peoples are coming. Uh, Next session. So we are completed pyramid of number. Continuing of pyramid of biomass. So uh, biomass refers to total weight. Biomass refers to total weight of the living organisms in a unit area. So an ecological pyramid, a biomass shows a relation between the biomass and trophic level by quantifying the amount present at each trophic level. In the pyramid of biomass, what happened? In the pyramid of biomass, there will be a clear-cut decrease in the biomass from lower to the higher trophic levels. In generally, the pyramid of biomass in upright, so like it is one of the pyramid-like structure. Then apex to pointed upwards. The point-like structure is there, triangle shape. So pointed top corners are pointed-like structure is there. In all terrestrial ecosystem, but in certain ecosystem like pond ecosystem, the pyramid of biomass is an inverted type of pyramid. Apex is pointed, so inverted triangle is there. And apex is pointed downwards. So why? Because of in the aquatic ecosystem, remembering one thing, so many remembering one thing, producers are more number are producers, but inverted position will explain later. In this type of ecosystem, which contain less amount of biomass, in this ecosystem, which contain less amount of the biomass of producers and more amount of biomass of consumers. For example, aquatic ecosystem inverted is there. Here more fishes, more animals are there in the aquatic. That's why they produces more weight of biomass than compared to producers. That's why here, which contain less amount of the biomass producers, which is lost. That means a top end. Like that's why it is a what ma. So see now let us go to, for example, direct straight word terrestrial ecosystem triangle. Remembering one thing, you know very well. Okay, here trophic level we should observe. See number of that means pyramid of number. For example, phytoplanktons trophic level 2500 is there. It is the producers. Then the zooplanktons second one, that is consumers, primary consumer 500, gradual less, and here herring 50, mackerel 5, and tuna 0.5 is there. So this is what happened, ma? Trophic level, the pyramid of pyramid of number. So in the same phenomena in terrestrial, so producers they produces more mass, more weight producers. Then what happened? Zooplanktons less produces their weight. Herring they're less than compared to zooplanktons. Mackerel then compared to herring they're more less. Then tunas very less. Okay, now so that's why. So the actually in the terrestrial ecosystem, same. That means a straight triangle is there and pointed apex are pointed and lower the top bottom is a more. Okay, this is what happened stated. But in ecosystem, an aquatic ecosystem inverted. Next one, what is that ma? Pyramid of energy. What is the pyramid of energy? See here. Graphical representation as a number in energy. Okay, in pyramid of energy, remembering one thing, each trophic level in food chain, each level in trophic level in the food chain, energy that was originally stored by an aquatic, that means autotrophic plants, is dispatched along the food chain. From producers, they produce their energy, they dispatch it to primary consumer to second consumer to tertiary to top corner. It's like that. When the like or levels, trophic levels in the food chain are more, dispatched to unusable energy will be also be more. Okay, now so after they are utilizing their energy and the waste of energy also they are more. Okay, now So that is very important here. There is a generally 90% of the loss in the tropic level, 90% loss at each level of the food chain, eating pyramid shape diagram, that wider bottom and narrow at the top. Okay, now for example, 100 kilocalories energy they by producers. So here what happened, ma? Totally to transfer from producer to primary consumer, only 10%. Remaining 90% it will be lost. Okay, for example, 100 to 10, 10 to 1, 1 to 0.1. Completely, it lost that 90% of the energy. For example, in a pond, maximum energy is what, ma? Maximum energy is stored by the phytoplanktons. Then the energy decrease when it is transferred to subsequent consumer level. For example, the energy 100 kilocalories, 10 kilocalories, 1 kilocalorie, 1 kilocalorie, and 0.1 kilo. Because what happened, ma? Gradually in the pyramid of energy, gradually energy flow from producer to top carnivores gradually decreased. Okay, now. So when the top to bottom, it will become increasing. Okay, now. So but each tropic level, for example, from 100 kilocalories to 10 kilocalories, that means 90% they lost. From 10 to 1, because of what happened, 90% they lost. Okay, 1 to 0.1. So totally 90% of the energy to be lost from the. So this is called what, ma? Ecological pyramids. Ecological pyramids is a term given by Charles Shelton. The 3 ecological pyramids are there. It will be asking long question. Okay, pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. You should draw the diagram. 4 diagrams. All are what, ma? All triangles are there. But in aquatic ecosystem, it is inverted. So this is a clear-cut ecosystem. We are going to next. What is that, ma? Next topic is very important for second unit. First unit is much. First unit will attempt it completely. Ecological pyramid, ecosystem, food web, food chain. You will get to first unit. One long question, one short question will come. Second unit, environmental pollution also will come. Very important. The environmental pollution. Environmental pollution. What is environmental pollution? In the environment, okay. So unwanted air, unwanted solid, unwanted unwanted material to be entered, released from the environment into by others. Okay, in excess level, like air, in the gas also excess. In the water, there are so many particles are excess. Okay, in the land, plastics are excess. Okay, in that is called pollution. Okay, so so pollution, nothing but is a pollutant. It is a Greek word. So pollutant, but dirty, to polluted, to contaminated, pollution to contaminated. So this environmental pollution, mainly, how many types are there, ma? Mainly environmental pollution. Okay. See what, ma? The types, causes, effects, and control are there in our syllabus. Mainly air pollution. Air pollution and water pollution is very important for our syllabus, and soil and noise pollution also one of the topic is there. Okay, now what are the nuclear hazards and human health risks are there, and solid waste management, control the measures of urban industrial waste. Okay, already I sent now. Already I sent in your group. Same pattern will come examination. Okay. Solid waste management, control of measures of urban and industrial waste. Okay, pollution, case studies. This topic we are going to study. What is pollution? Okay, what is pollution? Pollution is undesirable change, unwanted, undesirable change in the physical, chemical, biological characteristics of our land, air, water caused by excess accumulation of pollutants is called pollution. What is pollution, ma? Pollution means it's an undesirable changes in a physical, chemical, biological characters of our land, air, water, or etc. Is caused by excessive accumulation of pollutants, that is substances which cause pollution. For example, kinds of pollution. We are seeing, for example, the diagram from the industries, the gas to be releasing. Okay, kinds of pollution. How many types of pollutions are there? I think you already knows the knowledge. How many types, ma? Mainly, majorly 4 types are there. That is pollution of water, pollution of air, pollution of land, pollution of noise pollution is there. In term, origin, it may be natural or anthropogenic. Anthropogenic means man-made. The pollution should be formed a natural process or anthropogenic, that means by man-made. So nowadays, man-made pollution to be increasing more. For example, we are seeing in the diagram and the more to know, black lung diseases, it is a common. So many diseases we are going to lung cancer, like different, that means in the common among coal miners due to the inhalation of carbon particles in the lungs. There, for example, Singareni people, those are people they are working in the mines. So they are people, the carbon monoxide, carbon should be going to lungs. They are going to suffer from lung cancer. Okay, now let us go to air pollution. Air pollution. Okay, now the degradation of air quality. So what are so degradation of air quality and natural atmospheric condition constitute air pollution. The air pollutant may be gas or particular matter. Okay, so we are seeing what are like industrial, like industrial corridors to be releasing some more gases. Okay, so like acid rain, that means the smogs, pan, tan. So it is different causes are there, which is to releasing of more vehicles, industrial corridors. Okay, like human beings. Okay, and like coal minings. So releasing more. These are the causes are to be releasing more gases into environment. The air pollutants, their effects. Particular matter, it comprises of small suspended particles such as spot, dust, pesticides, etc. and biological agents such as spores, pollen, dust mites. It causes respiratory elements such as asthma, chronic bronchitis. Okay, these are the effect we are facing. For example, you know very well, I would like to say one 1984 December 22. 1984 December 22. Here, what happened, ma? At Bhopal. That is called Bhopal incident. What is that, ma? Bhopal incident. It's a very tragic. It is very biggest Indian tragedy in the environmental, according to Environmental Act 1986. Okay, do you know what is that, ma? 1984 Bhopal incident. The midnight from the methyl isocyanide. That means what, ma? Methyl isocyanide. MIC company. Okay, this methyl isocyanide company to releasing some MIC gas. Calcium carbide company to releasing one chemical substances of the gas. Which gas, ma? Methyl isocyanide. This methyl isocyanide releasing to the midnight. Nearly what happened, ma? Near 10 lakhs people were died, and that means 1 lakh people were died and 10 lakhs people were affected, and more than 10 lakhs animals are affected. So now till there, so many people are affected that Bhopal gas, like ear effects, like died, like lungs, like circulatory system, everything. That is called that tragedy is called what, ma? That incident is called Bhopal incident. Very important. 1984 December 22. So what is the chemical substances? That is one methyl isocyanide. The company is called Calcium Carbide Company. Remember one. Next one, carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide is a product incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion of fossil fuels and automobiles. It is highly poisonous. It is highly poisonous to most animals. When inhalated carbon monoxide reduce oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Okay, our hemoglobin bind with carbon monoxide very easily than compared to carbon dioxide, then compared to oxygen. That's why, so it is more toxic to our body, right? Next, air pollutant, their effects are hydrocarbons are there. What are the hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons such as a methane are evolved from soil microbes like methanogen in flooded rice fields and swamps. They are also generated during the burning of coal, petroleum products. Okay, so these hydrocarbons are released into environment. The air should be polluted, so it will be affected to our body. So next one, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is released from oil refineries and or some smelters which is used to sulfur containing fuels. It causes harmful effect to and plants, animals. It causes chlorosis. The sulfur dioxide is increasing more in the air. What happened in air? So it will be caused to photosynthesis reaction. That means the chlorosis takes place. Loss of chlorophyll. The loss of chlorophyll, the cropping, the yielding should be less. Okay, a necrosis called localized death of tissues. Where these sulfur affected, here the necrosis to be formed. In a human, it causes to health problems such as asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, which are affected this pollutants. Okay, and carbon dioxide also there. The carbon dioxide methane to be increasing their global warming and greenhouse effect. Okay, what are the effects of global warming and methane? Greenhouse effect means that is due to the gas, carbon dioxide and methane. We'll explain other topic is there and global warming, right? And nitrogen oxides are there. What is it, nitrogen oxide? It causes reduce brown. That means brown air. The air should be going to form brown atrophic congested city air, which contributes heart and lung problems. Okay, so whether we are inhalation of nitrogen oxides, okay, so totally lung disorders and heart disorders we are facing. Okay, secondary effects of air pollution. Right, what is that? Photochemical smog. Smog is a mixture of smoke and fog. But so photochemical smog we are going to see. Mixture smog is nothing but mixture of smoke and fog is called smog. It is formed in the atmosphere under the influence of sunlight by the photochemical reaction of hydrocarbons, oxides of nitrogen, oxygen. Resulting the information PAN should be formed. What is PAN? PAN nothing but not permanent account number. PAN nothing but peroxyacetyl nitrate. PAN nothing but peroxyacetyl nitrate is there. So we are seeing in the affected by the acid rain. So this is the here what happened? Acid rains. The sculpture that means sculpture affected by the acid rains. Okay, now acid rains means what, here nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, okay, which are released into air. These sulfur dioxide bind with water to become sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide to bind with water to that means nitric acid. So these nitric acid, sulfur dioxide, carbonic acid, which is released to our body, okay, that is acid rains. Okay, so that is affected to plants, animals, like what these are the we are observing. Okay, what is the PAN? Peroxyacetyl nitrate. The peroxyacetyl nitrate damage a chlorophyll and thus reduces the photosynthesis and growth. It is also and growth also. It is also cause acute irritation of eyes and throat. The eye should be irritation. Throat should be irritation. Visibility of the surrounding is reduced due to the smog. Due to the smog. If the smog is there in the environment, but have been unable to visible any, unable to understand, unable to vision, unable to see any objects in front of you. Okay, that is, for example, you can take in most of the in India, most of the pollutant, very pollutant state, that is a capital city, that is Indian capital Delhi. The second Hyderabad. In the morning you can see absurd smoke to be there. Smoke, nothing but smoke and fog to be form of smoke. So in the Delhi in the morning, sharp in the morning, unable to go one place to other place because of the in front of the vehicles. If any person is there, we can't understand, right? That is one of the important of this SMAC. And acid rain, already told you. Gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide and other oxides are to join water, to combine water to form a sulfuric acid and nitric acid along with water and precipitate as acid rain. It damages the building materials like plants, animals. They also make soil acids. Okay, we are seeing in the diagram, see the acid rains, they damage the human health, damage the plants. Okay, so these acid rains, for example, H2SO4 should be formed, nitric acid should be formed, nitrogen dioxide to bind with water to be formed, nitric acid, carbon dioxide to bind with water to carbonic acid, okay, and sulfur dioxide to bind with what, sulfur dioxide. So to be lost, what happened? So buildings, plants, animals, etc., etc., etc. So this is the due to the acid rains. And control of air pollution. How to control air pollution? Okay, how to control of air pollution, right? See, mainly particulate emitted by industries. Please mute yourself, ma. And in the air pollution, you must write global warming and greenhouse effect also. We'll explain later. One topic is there. We'll explain that one. Please mute yourself, ma. Okay. So the particulate emitted by industries should be controlled by that means device such as a scrubbers, participators and filters. Okay, now for example, here we are controlling the industries air by using of scrubbers and precipitators also to be using. Okay, now and used of a unleaded a low sulfur fuel to be encouraged. Okay, nowadays the petrol which contains more lead. So continuously we are using that type of petroleum. The lead should be releasing. It will be toxic to human body, toxic to other animals also. Okay, that should be. And shifting to non-conventional sources of energy, like example solar energy, tidal energy, and tidal energy, in order to reduce the depends of conventional sources. For example, see, we are observing, see, filtration level, filtration, sanitation, that means odor removal and ventilation, humidity control. So by using of this method, F nothing but filtration level and sanitation and odor removal level and ventilation level and humidity control level. So we are using this type of methods, removal of purifying the air. And please yourself, ma, Om Prakash. Okay, water pollution. What is water pollution? Regarding water pollution is defined as the adding of unwanted substances, the change of physical and chemical characteristics of water in a way which makes it unfit for human consumption, unfit for human consumption, is called water pollution. Water pollution is adding of unwanted substances or changes of the physical and chemical and biological, okay, chemical characteristics of water, okay, way which make it it is unfit for human consumption. Because of we are drinking water, we are bathing water, we are viewing that means using of that water for the cooking of food, okay, etc. We are using that one. Okay, it is caused by a waste product of industries and effluents. How to causing of these water pollution? But industrial effluents, agriculture effluents, homemade effluents. Okay, different waste material we are releasing into the water. The water should be polluted. For example, in our Mom district, So our mini tank bed is there. Mini tank bed is very polluted because of, so that pollutant made by anthropogenic, that means so man-made pollutant. The tank bed is man-made. Remembering one thing, it caused by waste products like effluents, domestical sewage, oil, oil spillage, agriculture, and industrial. So different causes are there for that water should be pollution. Water should be pollution takes place. See, we are observing. See here, what does that mean? What does it mean? Urban, urban and industrious petroleum wastages, oil storage tanks, and transpiration, evaporation. So like different we are seeing on that. So more about reverse of osmosis is the most efficient way of obtaining purified drinking water. During this process, pressure is applied for the that means to be a reverse osmosis process for the purifying of the water. Okay, so that is one of the method to be controlling the water pollution. Sources and effects of water pollution. What are the sources are there? Remembering one thing, in industrial wastes. The industrial waste that already told, industrial waste, agriculture waste, man-made waste, right? Okay, industrial waste, the industrial effluents containing heavy metals such as chemicals as arsenic, cadmium, copper, chromium, mercury, zinc, nickel, or directly released into the water bodies such as the lakes, ponds, rivers without a proper treatment. Without a proper treatment, this industrial waste enters into the ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. So these waste contaminates the water bodies and make them unsuitable for human consumption. So the hot water is another noted pollutant for the industries. So after preparation of the chemicals, the hot water releasing the water into the pond. Okay, the pond due to the should not control the few of the organisms should be going to die. This is also one of the important. And see, and many industries use water as a cooler. That means coolant for the machinery and release of hot water into the water bodies, causing thermal pollution, which affect both plants and animal life. So we are observing in this, but by industrial effluents releasing into the pond. That means surface of runoff. The surface of runoff from agriculture land contaminated with pesticides, residues, inorganic fertilizers. Nowadays we are using huge pesticides to control for the more yielding purpose, right? Okay, so that is one of the important. And the runoff from urban and industrial or rich in organic and inorganic compounds. These are pollutants which contaminated both surface and groundwater also. Surface groundwater and surface water also. Like oil spills, which to pollutant the water, and domestical sewage, which pollutant the water, and availability of excess nutrients results in the algal blooms. So huge nutrients are released into the pond. In that algal blooms to be formed. For example, mini tank pond, you must be observed surface of the water, total algal blooms are formed. So these algal blooms utilize more oxygen than below of the algal blooms. So many organisms are going to die. Okay, so that means here BOD should be found, biological oxygen demand. Total oxygen should be utilized by that algal blooms. There is no water scarcity. That is, there is no oxygen scarcity in the that means below of the water, below of the algal blooms. So that's why resulting deficiency of the oxygen content, that is called biological oxygen demand. This in turn leads to death of aquatic organisms. This process is known as eutrophication. Eutrophication. Remembering one thing. And remembering one thing, already told you what type of disease we are going to facing, right? We are contaminated pollutant water. We are drinking, so we are facing waterborne diseases. Waterborne disease like cholera, like typhoid, like diphtheria, like tetanus. Okay, like we are facing something of waterborne diseases like viral diseases. Okay, we are facing that type. For example, hepatitis. So here more to know. So those are the peoples, Minimata disease. So mercury, that means poisonous. In the water, huge mercury is there. The poisonous due to the consumption of these mercury or capturing from the mercury contaminated the person. Minimata Bay in Japan was detected in 1952. Mercury composed in wastewater are converted into bacterial action into extremely toxic methyl mercury, which can cause a numbness of limbs. It can also cause deafness, blurring, vision of mental retarded. So this type of minimata. The minimata which is caused by the excess of the water of mercury. And in Nalgonda district, remembering one thing, fluoride. The fluoride, the water in the fluoride, more fluoride is there in the water. The fluoride drinking peoples, they are facing a total exoskeleton system is going to bending, like physical handicap. So many people are going to physical handicap because of they are drinking fluoride water. So that is what very important thing. Okay, and what about control of water pollution? How to control of water pollution? So water pollution, sewage treatment plants should be installed to sewage before releasing into water bodies. So this water, what happened, first of all, before the releasing into the pond, must be sewage treatment takes place. Okay, the sewage treatment you must be observed. That means a treatment center, pipes take water treatment center. That means screening. Screening stage is there. Screening stage is there, and primary stage, secondary stage, final stage. So totally, what happened, the water should be purified, then enters into river. So this is one of the stages for the sewage treatment. And excessive use of pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers should be avoided. So now that means avoid of in the agriculture sector. So don't use of pesticides. We must be use organic farms, organic material. Okay, now like vermicomposting and like neem water and panchagava, pancha juice, to releasing what happened to kill the insects to yielding more crops. So that's why nowadays to avoiding this type of pesticides, okay, by using of organic production of cultivating organic methods, that is organic farm methods, right? And biological control of insect pests. Biological control of insect pests and organic farming is to be followed in order to reduce depends on pesticides in organic fertilizers. Okay, by legislation and strict enforcement. For example, what is that, 1986 Environmental Protection Act. Environmental Protection Act. What happened, so you must be don't pollute the water contents. Don't pollute the what that means. बोलते important questions बोलते, don't bother about that, right? By creating social awareness among people about water pollution and the need for pure water. Okay, so this is what two important pollutions are there. What is that pollutions, you know very well. And so these are the water pollution and soil pollution is very, very important. Okay, so next what about greenhouse effect and global warming will asking. Just I would like to say a few words about global warming. So how to global warming? Remembering one thing, a simple, I would like to explain a simple phenomena. We are continuously releasing carbon dioxide, methane into water, methane into environment. Okay, this emission of carbon dioxide emission by fuels. These carbon dioxide released into troposphere and to prepare to prepare something whatever one carbon dioxide layer. So the ultraviolet rays are from sunlight to enters into the earth, okay, and reflect into again. But these ultraviolet rays should not, because of carbon layers should be formed, carbon dioxide layers should be formed. These ultraviolet rays not should not reflect and should be observed by this carbon layer. In that case, what happened, carbon layer and methane layer. In that case, so in the carbon dioxide is increasing more in the environment. So that's why the temperature also increasing more. The temperature increasing gradually. What happened, totally in north side, what happened, Himalayan mountains are there. the melting of the temperature is gradually increasing, melting of mountains, what happened, ma? Nearly floods or takes place. Like rivers, floods, they are going to facing, we lost more of agriculture and man-made. For example, you should see in what ma? China, so many huge floods, so many buildings are going to the loss of what ma? Crores of crores. So that's why what happened, ma? This is a important carbon cycle. It is not. It is essential for. I would like to send. Just I would like to say overview. Already told you. Now, see very important questions. I would like to type. This is a for important for what is that, ma? Remembering one thing. Important for these questions. You must be study and you will write the exam and enjoy in the exam. What are the questions? What is ecosystem? Describe the ecosystem. We'll ask long question. Long question. I would like to send the important questions in your groups also. Don't bother about that. Okay, that is one of the important. What is ecological pyramid? Describe the ecological pyramid. That will be asking long question. What is food chain? Will you asking sometime? Will you give the short question? You write food web, biodiversity, and environment. Okay, next. What is pollution? To describe the water pollution. It will be asking long question. What is pollution? Okay, no problem. What I told you topics, I would like to send total. Okay, now don't bother about that. Okay, now what is pollution? Remembering today I told you now water pollution and soil pollution. You must read one question, one long question will come. Okay, now so right, total 40 marks. Just this topic you must read. You will get 100% marks. Okay, na? Don't bother about that. All the PDFs I would like to send in your group. Okay, na? Hello. So thank you very much. Any doubts? Any asking question? Only 1 minute is there. Jabin. Pattern also pandemic situation pattern, but it's simple pattern, ma. 2 short questions will come, 2 long questions will come. So 2 short questions, 2 long, that means 2 short questions, 4 long questions. Out of 4, you must write 2. Okay, na? 2 short questions, 4 questions.
Sir, choice will also be there.
What, ma?
Choice will also be there, sir.
Choice will be also there. Don't bother about that.
Okay, sir.
This marks will be added in the final, sir.
What, ma?
These marks and the
Yes,
EVS
these
marks.
marks also, yes, compulsory. These marks also adding to your credits. Okay, na? So that's why don't neglect it. The pass marks 18. So just you write, just what you listen, you write in the examination, you will get pass.